Exploring space is much more difficult than exploring our home planet. You can't just take a walk and study the structure of a meteorite, comet, or other astronomical object. People use sophisticated manned and unmanned vehicles for space experiments, and astronauts are trained for such overloads that an ordinary person simply cannot withstand. But the effort pays off. Thanks to research, space is becoming clearer to humans. And practical studies are facts that are not subject to doubt. And here are just a few of them. The first man to go into outer space was Soviet cosmonaut Alexei Leonov. He proved that a man could be free-floating in space, and even conduct experiments and observations. Everyone has heard about space weightlessness and seen footage of astronauts flying easily inside a space station. But weightlessness is not only an interesting phenomenon. In weightlessness, muscles and bones become weaker because they are almost not stressed. In order not to lose their health, astronauts take vitamins and exercise, for example, use a specially equipped treadmill. One more interesting fact is that in zero gravity the distance between vertebrae is greater and the person's height increases. For example, the record for growth of an adult in space was 10 centimeters. The Kepler and TESS orbiting telescopes were launched into space to detect and study exoplanets where life is possible. Since 2009, the telescopes have found thousands of suspected exoplanets, and studies have shown that life is indeed possible on about 200 of these planets. The first successful landing on another planet took place in 1970. An apparatus descended on the surface of Venus, which collected important scientific data about the planet. Back in 1977, the US launched 2 spaceships with messages for representatives of other galaxies, with recordings of Earth music, human speech, a description of the structure of the human body. The ships left the solar system in 2007 and are still on their way, exploring the planets they encountered with the help of built-in instruments.